Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on a top load Samsung washing machine. My customer's complaint is that it's not spinning properly, and it also doesn't drain properly sometimes. So here's the unit inside. The model number is located all the way to the top here, the model and serial. To confirm that I have problem or not with the wash motor or the spin cycle, what I'm gonna do, I'll press a spin soil level and power at the same time and hold it for 2 seconds, let it go. I will go to the spin cycle, press start. I want to make sure I get 1030 RPM on this, so if the wash motor is working, press start. If it reaches 1030 RPM on a spin cycle, I'm going to replace the drain pump. If it doesn't reach that number, I'm gonna have to check the motor and the RPM sensor, maybe the control board, to see what's causing this problem and issue. So it's running fine so far. Make sure the washer is empty, no water, no clothes, nothing when you do this test. Otherwise it can break the shock absorbers. On the side there's 4 shock absorbers, or it can also break the bearing if you have anything and you go on 1030 RPM. It's dangerous, it's not good, it's not safe for the washing machine. And if I have any problem with the wash motor, it's going to create an error code. So it already hit the 1030 RPM without any error code, no error code. So the wash motor and the control board is working perfectly fine. Turn it off. The wash motor is confirmed that there's nothing wrong with it. There's the back panel. I took it off. It's held by 4 screws. By taking the back panel off, I'm gonna take the drain pump open apart and confirm that there's nothing stuck in it. I already know there's nothing stuck in the drain pump because when I was running the drain cycle, when I ran the drain cycle drain cycle on this unit, the water drained perfectly fine. And the drain pump is located just there. That's the drain pump. You need to replace this. If it's not spinning properly or it doesn't drain sometime, you want to replace that. Make sure disconnect the water lines, turn it off, disconnect it, take this drain hose off, unplug it, take it all the way to the center of the place, and then after that replace the drain pump. That should take care of the problem. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Thank you.